Hey everyone, so today I'm working with my first wig, and I will say this is the first time I've ever used a wig this long from my first wig, but I was here for it. The hair was silky and just amazing, and the knots were bleached to perfection. So I didn't know they had their own lace glue, so I was super excited about this. There is a headband in here. Back I actually have it braided. And even though I say I want to protect the edges at all costs, I just had to try it because I was way too curious. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing. So to get started, I did go ahead and pluck the wig to my liking. I didn't pluck extreme though. I just kind of made the hairline look a little bit more Simone-ish, basically. So I didn't do too much. Now, if you're not watching this video, like your eyes are not on the screen, I did just put the hair specs, the wig specs on the screen. If not, it will be down below in the description box. But as you guys know, I've been trying to protect the edges. I just don't want any adhesives on my skin right now, but they knew what they were doing when they sent me this lace glue because I just could not pass this opportunity up. So to get started, you want to go ahead and just clean your forehead. Make sure there are no excess oils or anything that might prevent the glue from sticking. I'm just gonna dry it with my blow dryer. You can let it air dry and then apply it like how you would any other glue. I would say this glue, because I used it 3 times since, because I really wanted to give you guys a full review, and I would say this one kind of reminds me of a Ghost Bond glue type of formula, which means it's good. No other glue works for me besides Ghost Bond glue. No other glue. And now I can add my first wig's glue to the list. I'm not even promoting this glue. They just put it in the box, I guess, to give me an option to use it. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm highly impressed, and I've used it in a couple of other videos that you will see come out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean any excess glue off with alcohol. This is important. If not, it will kind of look shiny on your skin and not look like, you know, a seamless install. And then cut the lace off. I always recommend doing this in portions. Don't just cut the lace off going from ear to ear in one huge snip. Take your time. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just pick off any pieces of glue. Don't do it with a tweezer. It actually really hurts. But tie it down for a little bit. Make that glue melt into your scalp, honey. Styling, probably one of my favorite parts about installing a wig. You really just get to see the full potential of a wig and just be whoever you want to be. When you're wearing this wig, you can style it whichever way, make it sleek, make it creative. So I usually love this part. I spend the most time on the hairline usually and the styling. Installing can go kick rocks, okay? So I thought I wanted large exaggerated baby hairs, but when I really finished it, I was like, yeah, no, I don't like that. But those who may like it, this is definitely something for you to continue watching. I did go ahead and curl my baby hairs with my flat iron. I would suggest using a smaller flat iron, but you know what? I'm gonna be real. I was too lazy to go downstairs to get my flat iron, so I used this large one to curl my baby hairs. Just keeping it real. So a couple of little facts for you guys. This is a beginner-friendly wig. It obviously looks super realistic. It has the skin melt invisible lace, and it's 100% human hair, okay? So, you know, I decided to put a couple of notes in the video. I feel like sometimes you guys ask a lot of questions that are necessary. They are highly necessary, but I figured if I split it between putting it on the screen and the description box, you know, you guys can, you know, get to know the wig a little bit more, especially if you're watching this on your TV, because sometimes, you know, you can't really read the comments on the TV or go onto the description box. So do you guys like this? I'm trying to be a little bit more like interactive with you guys. Now to get the top very flat, because you guys know I don't play when it comes to the top of my head of my wig. It has to be extremely flat. You want to go ahead and just hot comb tiny rows until you get to that desired part, whether it's a side part or a middle part. I was actually on the phone with my friend Ka, and he was like, nope, go tinier parts. And that's how you really get the top to be super flat. Spend a lot of time on it. My hot comb is on the hottest heat, okay? And I feel like this just helps to make it, this just helps get to the point quicker. I don't know, am I the only one that every time I do a middle part, it's never in the middle, like exactly in the middle? It's like sometimes like a smiddle, like a side middle. I just don't know what it is. Even when I do other people's hair, like when I used to, it would always be a smiddle part. And I'm like, how do you get, like my grandmother and my mom, when I was younger, they used to like take the comb up my nose, up my forehead, and back into the part to get it to be super straight. And I don't know if that's like only like a Caribbean thing or something, but I think I might start doing that again. But I've been traumatized for years when they would dig it, like, you know, when they would go up the face to get that middle part. But so hard for me to get that complete straight middle part. But this hair is looking so amazing. I just love when you do your hair and it comes out so good and you're just like, whoa, I did that. But it just takes time, guys. It takes a lot of time. I know everyone that's watching this video can definitely replicate exactly what I did in this video, okay? Just take your time. Sometimes a wig install will take you 1 hour. Sometimes it might take you 3. It just depends on what level of perfectionism that you're trying to get to. Okay? A bit of word of encouragement for you guys. So another trick you want to do is spray your hand with hairspray, and to get those flyaways, just get the hell off of your head or just stick down. You want to just press your hands firmly onto your head. A lot of times when I'm doing my videos, before I get into that, use some foundation to color your part to make it pop. But I feel like I'm always spaced out when I'm doing certain things. I be in my own head sometimes, and I need to stop. You guys, I took my time with this wig. I am loving it. It looks so good. You know what? My first wig, this lace though, it's not like their usual lace. Like, it's really clear and super see-through. Like, I am highly impressed with this. Not saying that the lace is not usually good, but you could tell it's definitely a step up, definitely a huge step up from what I'm used to. But it looks amazing. And the hair quality, I feel like they definitely have stepped up their hair quality. It just feels way more silkier than what I'm used to. Again, not bad, just feels like a step up, a quality thing. So absolutely love it. I'm gonna try to sit back so you guys can see. Very easy wig to install also, I'm gonna say that, but it looks so good. Look at it. And guys, I got my Invisaligns like completely off, and the retainers are on the back of my teeth, but I think it just looks so good when I smile. Like, like, it was the best money that I ever spent on my teeth. Side note. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, this wig is from my first wig. All the information on the wig will be down below, as you guys already know, description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.